In this video we will share 5 best options of dinner for weight loss. This is the official YouTube channel of Best Tips and Tricks. Weight loss isn't about shrinking your diet or fasting. In fact, such practices are unhealthy. On the contrary, one should aim for 3 daily healthy meals, and regular, healthy snacking, even while attempting to lose weight. Dinner is one such vital meal of the day, and options that are lightweight, easily digestible, and health boosters should be prioritized for weight loss. Number 1. Oats, with Bran. Recipe is very simple. Just boil oats in water and add black pepper, salt, and lemon to taste, if you want. A wholesome fiber-rich filling, yet lightweight meal, oats makes for a great dinner option for everybody. One serving will get you plenty of carbohydrates, proteins, dietary fiber, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Number 2. Grain porridge. Again, recipe is very simple and same. Just boil porridge grains in water, add black pepper, salt, and lemon to taste, if you want. Feather light, and super healthy, grain porridge is your go-to dinner for weight loss diet program. Grain porridge is another great dinner option for those looking to shed some extra pounds because it's lightweight, easily digestible, and contains a high amount of fiber that aids in weight loss. Additionally, it contains several nutrients like protein, magnesium, potassium, and iron. Apart from aiding in weight loss, grain porridge also offers an array of other health benefits, like improving heart health, preventing constipation, and boosting metabolism. Number 3. Soups of your choice. Again, recipe is very simple and same. Just boil any vegetable of your choice, or chicken but skin, or seafood but not meat as it has too much fat, in water. Keep it simple to taste. Just add black pepper, salt, and lemon, if you want. Most of soup is water, and that's great for weight loss. Studies have shown that turning otherwise normal, solid food into soups, simply by adding water to them, makes people feel fuller and more satisfied, despite being low in calorie at the same time. Right from tomato soup to mixed vegetable, there's plenty of ways you can prepare your soups, depending on your taste and hunger. Being easily digestible and relatively fat-free, it's great for losing weight. Number 4. Lentils. Again, recipe is very simple and same. Just boil any lentil of your choice in water and add black pepper, salt, and lemon to taste, if you want. This will get you enough protein power from a variety of lentils. What better a meal to finish your day with than super healthy and light as water lentils? There's very little fat, and generous amounts of protein in all types of dal. With so much goodness in just one serving of lentils meal, it is an all-time favorite for people looking to lose weight and add muscle mass. Eat with any regular meal of your choice at dinner, preferably to aid weight loss. Number 5. Greens. Green vegetables will give flight to your weight loss plans. No one can doubt the health-enhancing properties of green vegetables, and same goes for losing weight. They provide all the necessary nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, iron, and magnesium, and contain enough fiber to aid in weight loss. Additionally, there are a number of options to choose from, and popular ones include spinach, kale, and broccoli. Eat with any regular meal of your choice at dinner, preferably a healthy, low-fat meal. If you want to know best tips and tricks, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, Best Tips and Tricks. Click on notification bell if you want to remain ahead of others with best tips and tricks. Thank you for watching Best Tips and Tricks YouTube channel.